be on the silver moon. If we drive, then we can get there soon.
Good morning and happy Sunday. Welcome back to my channel. I did a lot of filming yesterday and I lost all the footage, so I was a bit gutted. I had a bottle of wine last night, so it was weigh morning, so I got weighed, had my treat day, back on it today. For those that don't know, I'm on the Slimming World. I've actually done £8 off now, so that's not bad. But anyway, so I was gutted, but I've got up this morning, sorry about the lights reflecting, I've got up this morning and look, the house needs doing again. It's fate, somebody knows. So we're going to have a little bit of a cleaning vlog. It won't be as long as usual because I did clean yesterday, so it's just a bit of titivating today, and then we'll see how we go from there. Actually, it is quite untidy. My bed, I didn't make my bed, so I thought, oh, I know, I'll film that bit. So I've not made my bed, I've not put clothes away. There's things out in the living room that little one had yesterday. As you can see, there's pots and rubbish. So let's get into it. Let's get motivated to clean. And it's a lovely rainy autumn day today. It's a bit dull actually, so the lights are on, so my electric bill will probably be £3,000 for today. So let's see how we go.
You say you wanna be a star, but the city is so dense and loaded. You need to cover up your scars, and it makes you feel so distant with such a disguise. Why don't you leave it all behind and come back home? I'll make some sweets and tea, just like it used to be. You say you had to take the chance, even though you got arrested and wasted. It's been so long since you've been calm, but you don't need any gestures or favors from anyone, baby. Why don't you leave it all behind and come back home? I'll make some sweets and tea, just like it used to be. Just like it used to be. You say you wanna be a star, but the city is so dense and loaded.
I don't need to clean the hob and cupboards because I did those yesterday. The oven will get cleaned after Sunday dinner every Sunday. So yeah, so I won't be. And I've got a bit of baking on there. We've done some cinnamon rolls. So yeah, I won't be doing the hob today. So sorry.
No
just picking the pumpkin decorations up that the cats have been using as toys. Right, on to the living room, just having a quick look round. There's just a few things out of place from last night, so this shouldn't take long at all. Right, I'm just going to give the room a quick over. Like I say, it were all dusted and cleaned properly down yesterday, so it is just a titivate today. So now we move on to the absolutely horrendous bedroom. Like I say again, it isn't dirty, it's just untidy. Everything was cleaned yesterday. So it's just a titivate and a tidy.
Make me feel like I'm supposed to go. Tell me what you're thinking about me when I'm gone. You're so beautiful, it's so personal. And while you play these games, I question my faith first of all. You'll never know what I really feel when I'm all alone on the road. I'm losing my mind. So darling, just call, tell me everything's alright. I don't wanna fall.
it's gone, gone, gone. You're so beautiful, you'll never know how I can make you feel when you have got someone to hold. It's so personal. Wish I was near you now, but I'm all alone on the road. I'm losing my mind. So darling, just call, tell me everything's alright. I don't wanna fall. I can't lose it make me feel like I'm
Right, that's the bedroom titivated. Looks a little bit tidier.
Tell me what you're thinking about me when I'm gone.
Thank you for watching this quick clean, tidy and titivate with me. Please like and subscribe and I'll see you very soon.